Sometimes it happens that you need to miss a live lesson. And sometimes it happens that you were at a live lesson, but you need to review parts of the mini lesson. That's why we make a recording of each of those live lessons. You can access those recordings by going to the Teams app. Okay, if you go here into the post page, okay, in the general app, looking at the posts, you can access those recordings. Okay, if you click here on the replies underneath that blue bar, okay, it's going to show you the recordings. I got it all sorts of colorful there. All right, let me actually go down to collapse that one. Let me click on the link and scroll down. Oh, and you can see the recording here. If you click on the recording itself, it will pop up right here in the window. You can check out the lesson. You can rewind, you can fast forward, you can pause, you can recapture any part of that meeting. You can even go back and see previous replies. And this will take you back to previous classes. Okay, so here's the previous class. You can just keep going back class by class by class and check out all those other meetings as needed. Okay, you can also check out what was in the chat. So maybe there was something that we talked about in the chat that you wanted to reference. You can look at the chat this way as well. Okay, that will give you all the information that you need to move forward. Okay, additionally, you can open these up in a larger format so that you don't have to just see them within the screen. You can take up your entire laptop screen. And that way you can revisit those lessons and review either before the end of the quarter, maybe when there is a larger writing project that is going on. So even when you were in class, you can preview and review the lessons as needed. And so that is how you access the recordings of our live lessons.